Good morning, everybody, and this is the S&P 500 day trade setup for today. So, yeah, we got the move down, we got the break, and we got the move down that we were looking for. Nice, juicy little trade that played out, and your take profit would have been here at 4081. So, at the moment, looking at the 8-hour, the weekly. Let's start with the weekly. So we've got a bit of a rounding top here. Don't like the way the oscillators are grouping here, and the moving averages still haven't really crossed over. So lots going on here. Still a sort of bearish structure on the weekly, targeting all the way down here at 2.5, but I think being a bit optimistic on that. And then you've got this pretty much what's been a range all year. Just get that level in there. You can see that's what we've tested once, twice. We're busy testing it again. Inside bar looks like a confirmation on the weekly bar, and if you look left, there's no real fractal or anything except for down here. So one thing is clear, we do have a series of higher lows and a flat top. So that is a flat top triangle. Lots of there's bullish and bearish structure there on the weekly, but what we're looking at here on the 8-hour is we had Microsoft and Google results coming out. Both of them weren't too bad. Microsoft a lot better than, well, let's not say a lot better, just because they mentioned AI in their results. I think it was something like 61 times. Algorithms have now pre-market have just gone ballistic. I think it's up 8% or something. So I'll definitely be selling my Microsoft shares later today when the market opens, and been holding on to those since August. Now at the moment, if we start drilling down through the 3 hours, look at the crossover we have here. We've got a crossover, we've got a break of structure, which is what we were looking for yesterday, which is here. So we've got the crossover, we've got the break of structure. Don't want to be jumping in short down here. This is an area of support, but definitely on a retest of 4117. We've got potential confirmation of a downtrend. So when we get down to the hour, you'll see trend is down. Trend is very much the downside. Moving averages crossed over. Oscillators starting to head to the upside. So this is the zone we need to pay attention to. 4117. That's the rejection area that we would be looking to short again. So here was your entry yesterday. You can see we kind of found support here, built a flag, dropped down, pull back to test, and there's your confirmation. And you could have been watching that on a 5-minute. There would have been another 5-minute level, just a little bit higher. There's my engulfing bar. So trade was there, 89, 90, 100 point stop loss for 300 point gain. Okay, fairly decent and simple trade to take. So for today, pretty similar, but I want a retest of the structure. You may get a rejection here. So 4107, possibly 4100. I'd pay attention to that, but you're looking for a revisit to 4081. A break below 4081 will be interesting. But just bear in mind, we've got more earnings today. We had a number of earnings yesterday. We've got quite a few earnings today as well. So this thing could just swing to the upside. So you need to wait for the confirmations for the trade before you take them. So that's the short area. Otherwise, what you're going to see is you're going to see a solid move to the upside. It's going to break trend lines. It's going to break structure, come back, test the structure, and that's going to set up your longs, and your long target is going to be around 4150, 4158. Okay, so take your pick. I think be patient and just wait for the structure. If the structure is not there, don't take the trade. If it appears, I mean, this was pretty clear, very, very clear. As soon as you got, all you had to do is put alert in for this level that we had here, and just put them in on your hour. The minute you start dropping below that, open the charts, have a look what's going on, and you get the opportunity fairly straightforward. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my setup for today. I definitely don't want to be jumping in short down here and not hanging in the middle of nowhere, and especially not after Microsoft results and Google results, which are both after hours positive at the moment. So I will just wait for the market open to see what's going to transpire there. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.